Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 12.1 question number 13. Consider the statement ratio of breadth and length of a hall is 2:5. Complete the following table that shows some possible breadths and lengths of the hall. Right? Let us take that is here it is given that the ratio of breadth breadth and length of a hall breadth and length of a hall is 2:5. 2:5. Now here is given breadth of the hall in meters, that is dash, and length of the hall in meters, that is 50. That means these are actually equivalent ratios. Therefore, if you will find that equivalent ratios are 2:5, it should be equal to dash by 50. Dash by 50. Right? To find this value, we have to first divide this 50 divided by 5. That is 5 times 50. Right? Therefore, we have to multiply the numerator and denominator both by 10 to get equivalent ratio. That is 2/5 is equal to, we have to multiply both numerator and denominator by 10. 5 into 10. That is equal to 2 times 20 and 5 times 50. Therefore, you can say that 2/5 is equal to 20 is to 50. Therefore, here is 50. Therefore, this value will be 20. Therefore, the breadth of the hall in meters will be in 20 meters. Right? Now, next one is 40. We know that it is 2/5. The ratio is 2/5. And another one is the numerator is 40. What is the value of denominator? Right? How you got 40? You see here. That is 40 divided by 2. 40 divided by 2. And that comes to 20. Therefore, you have to multiply 20 with the both numerator and denominator. Therefore, 2/5 is equal to, we can write 5 into 20 and 2 into 20. 20 into 20 is 40 and 5 into 20 is 100. Therefore, you can say that 2/5 is equal to 40 by 100. Right? Therefore, here the value will be 100. 40 by 100. You can do another way also. The second method you can apply also like this. If you apply the second method, that 2/5, here 2/5 is equal to dash by 50. If we take this dash as x, then we can say that if you cross multiply it, then 5x is equal to 2 into 50. Therefore, x is equal to 2 into 50 by 5, or 5 times 50, 2 times 20. Therefore, the value of x is 20. Right? This is 20. In the same way, you can write also, that is 2/5. 2/5 is equal to 40 by dash. In this box, if we write is x, then if we cross multiply it, then 2x is equal to 5 into 40. 5 into 40. Therefore, x is equal to 5 into 40 by 2. 2 is 4, 0, or 5 to 10, 100. Therefore, the value of x is 100. That is, here it is 100. In this way, you can apply the second method also. Right? That means, if the ratio of breadth and length is 2/5, we will find the equivalent ratios of this. If we get the equivalent ratios, in place of this one, we get 20, and place of length of hole in meters, that is 100. This is the solution of question number 13 of exercise 12.1. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.